Hey friends, I am here to tell you what all you need for your travel bag this summer. First off, you need you a good bag. This one is a good one. 3 pieces in there, and plus you can put your name, phone number on it, so just in case we get lost, they'll be able to find you. Next, you need some meds. You just never know, God forbid, that you do get sick on your trip, but you'll have your essentials in there. A little bit of everything: ibuprofen, your Advil, Zyrtec, Benadryl, nasal sprays, day and night quill, all the good stuff. Your Tylenols, the acetaminophen, and all your good stuff is here too as well. Now, say if you do decide to have your at-home products, they do have travel size silicone travel bottles that you put in your bags too as well. Because I know how it is. You like your favorite stuff and you want to take it. So yeah, I got that here too. They also have little essentials like the TSA lock. I like the beach please. Tags for your bags. Face masks to have on the plane or the bus or train, wherever you may go. And look at that, little earplugs. Soap dish holders. Let's see, facial tissues. It's for your clothes. Get all the little, lint bugs and stuff off of there. Handy wipes, cleaners. It says hand sanitizer spray. This is nice. First aid kit, little mini first aid kit. If you need some fluid for your contact lenses, they got it here, travel size. Eye droppers, need that too. Sometimes you get a little dry. Some for motion sickness. I know a lot of people have a hard time either on planes, buses, boats for that matter. That's there too. Nausea relief band. These are pretty good too. Emergency. Get that. And to recover. Sometimes we have a little bit too much fun, out and about. So go ahead and grab that too while you're out there. Now, next we need to put all our moisturizers between the lips moisturizer, skin moisturizers. Got some Jergens Uracin that's in there, Nivea. Make sure you put all that in there as well. Next, CVS got you covered with all your facial cleansers, washers, makeup removal, all that good stuff. Make sure you put that in your bag as well. Next, they even have travel size sunscreens. Make sure you put those in your bag too. Next, they have travel size shampoos and body washes, all that good stuff to wash off the day and the night. Everything is here. They got more hair products there, dry shampoos, holding gel. Next is your travel size deodorant. Make sure you put those in your bag too. Please do not get caught slipping. No. They also have your travel size shaving supplies as well. Last but not the very least, please put toothpaste and toothbrush in your bag too, then the mouthwash. Please, we gotta say so fresh and so clean. Yeah, so make sure you hit your local CVS for all your travel needs. They have a whole lot of essentials for you for your travels. So make sure you grab your stuff now. Alright friends, so make sure you get all your essentials for your summertime fun for you and your family. Y'all be safe. Have a happy and safe summer. Stay hydrated as well. Bye friends.